Hello everyone and welcome to our short lunch and learn session, how to get ready for the fun run, and I'll explain you your 8-week training journey. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to guide you through this program a little bit and help you to get started on your running journey. So what can you expect today? First, we will introduce you to an 8-week training program designed to improve both your overall health and your running performance. And second, you'll have the opportunity to gather some questions, whether they're about exercise, running, or the training plan itself, and let me know by email. So let's now take a quick look at your 8-week training running journey. The program is structured to gradually build your endurance and confidence. Each week progresses step by step, ensuring that you improve safely and sustainably. So you'll always have the training plan separated in sessions every week, session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll find strength sessions, you find endurance sessions. Everything is explained very well. Except for example, the strength training, you have 3 exercises, do them for 3 sets in this example here, and 10 to 15 reps. And every time you have a strength training, there's also an information part where you see where to look at, and maybe you'll have a beginner option as well. Additionally, we have created some break and mobility exercises for you. They will be published in our Instagram or social media channels, and you can simply click on see social media and then you'll be guided to our Instagram channel, and then you can look after the exercises and see which exercises you want to do today. An important part of your training is understanding intensity. We use something called the Rate of Perceived Exertion, short form is RPE, and this is a simple scale from 1 to 10 to measure your intensity or how it feels for you. So 1 means it's very light effort, 4 to 6 is moderate and enjoyable, and 9 to 10 represents very hard to maximum effort. This scale roughly corresponds to your heart rate as well, ranging from 55% up to 100% of your maximum heart rate. And the key idea in the whole training plan is that you listen to your body and adjust your effort accordingly on how you feel today. Additionally, we gathered some frequently asked questions. And a common question is, what if I miss a session or even a whole week? Maybe you're ill, you're on holiday, whatever. But that's not a problem. If you miss a session, simply continue with the next one. If you miss an entire week, then repeat the previous week before moving on. So the program is designed to be flexible and to support gradual progress. So it's important for you to know if you miss one session, you can just move on or repeat a week or a session instead of saying to quit the whole training plan. Another question is, what if I cannot manage the intensity or distance? That is also completely fine. You can slow down your pace, you can shorten the distance, or include walking breaks. The most important thing is consistency, not pushing beyond your limits. And this can also be managed by using the RPE, for example. If you're taking medication, it's important to consider that some medications can affect your heart rate or physical performance. So we strongly recommend speaking with your physician before starting the program. In general, getting medical clearance beforehand is a good idea to ensure that the training is safe and appropriate for you. What should you do if you experience pain while running? First, stop or reduce the intensity. You can try slowing down, shortening the session, or switching to walking. If the pain is persistent or sharp, you should have it checked by a healthcare professional before continuing. But same here, listen to your body and see how it feels maybe tomorrow, during a session, or even after. If you have now any further questions, feel free to ask. We're happy to support you throughout your training journey. And therefore, you can just write me an email. We will cluster the questions then and answer them on our Q&A webinar sessions. And now to see the training plan, scan this QR code here to download your PDF file for the 8-week training program. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope this session has given you a clear understanding of the training program and motivates you to get you started. And finally, we would like to thank you all of our partners and supporters who made this program even possible.